Welcome to a captivating journey through a property that promises not just a house, but a haven nestled in the heart of nature's embrace. As we embark on this virtual tour of Home Tour Bulgarian property for sale in Kovachevets near Popovo, let the allure of a countryside escape unfold before your eyes. Situated at the foot of majestic mountains, this charming village is surrounded by rolling hills, lush forests, and serene lakes. A mere 90 kilometers from Veliko Tarnovo, 100 kilometers from Ruse, and just 10 kilometers from Popovo, it strikes the perfect balance between nature's tranquility and accessibility to civilization. With a living area of 100 square meters and a generous land parcel of 1,000 square meters, this property seamlessly blends into its natural surroundings. The residential building, spanning 2 floors and offering 6 rooms, provides a picturesque view of the idyllic landscape. A small summer kitchen in the garden and additional agricultural buildings complement the estate, enhancing its functionality and charm. Immerse yourself in the convenience of modern amenities while surrounded by nature's beauty. The property boasts running water and electricity, with the option to connect to a telephone line, satellite television, and the internet. This home ensures a seamless integration of comfort and rustic charm. Indulge in the tranquility of village life with regular bus transport, local shops, and a restaurant at your doorstep. The property offers 100% freehold ownership, a regulated land plot, and a dedicated parking area in the yard. Embrace the warmth of community with a local pub and post office within reach. Beyond the charm of this residence lies an array of possibilities. Whether envisioning a permanent move, a small farm, a bed and breakfast venture, or even a lucrative honeybee business, this property is a canvas for your dreams. The fertile land encourages agricultural pursuits, promising a sustainable and fulfilling lifestyle. Escape the hustle and bustle as you explore stunning forests, meandering rivers, and vast meadows. The area is a haven for horse riding and leisurely walks, offering a pristine environment far from the clamor of city life. Are you ready to make the move to a life of serenity and fulfillment? What dreams will you bring to life within these charming walls? Share your thoughts in the comments below as we navigate through this extraordinary property. This property is available for sale in cash or through flexible pay monthly plans tailored to your needs. Act now to secure this incredible opportunity and create a haven that resonates with your vision. Don't miss the chance to seize this exceptional offer. Reach out to us at bulgarianpropertyfinder.com and let us guide you on this journey to a picturesque retreat. Leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe for more updates on enchanting properties waiting to be discovered. We are bulgarianpropertyfinder.com, and we look forward to welcoming you in our next video.